Mapei presents Mario's Challenges. Mario is a professional starting today in his new job site. He realizes that there is a lot of work to be done. Mario has a big challenge. Will he be able to fix everything in time?
The solution is Lampocem.
When there is no time to waste, everyone wins with Lampocem. Lampocem is a fast-setting cement, easy to apply for every kind of fixing in all types of surfaces. Mission accomplished. Now it's clear, to solve any fixing challenge, the solution is Lampocem. Lampocem, Mapei's rapid cement.